Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you something super useful. How to instantly turn any text on your iPhone into an audio file that you can save or share. This is one of those hidden features that most people don't even know exists. And it's all done through the Shortcuts app. So here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Now tap on the Gallery tab at the bottom. In the search bar at the top, type Turn Text into Audio. When you find it, tap Add Shortcut to add it to your library. That's it. Now it is saved to your list of shortcuts. Next, go back to the Shortcuts tab. You will see the new shortcut there. Go ahead and tap it. You'll get a text box where you can type or paste any text you want. It could be a note, a script, a study paragraph, or even a part of an article. After you tap done, your iPhone will instantly convert that text into a clear, natural sounding audio file.
Hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.
And not just play it, but actually save it as an MP3. Once it's finished, you can share that file anywhere, send it on WhatsApp, save it to files, or even import it into an editing app. This is amazing for students who want to listen to their notes instead of reading them, for content creators who want to turn scripts into voice files, or for everyone who just prefers audio over text. It's such a powerful hidden shortcut, and once you try it, you will wonder how you didn't know about it sooner. You go ahead, try it today and make your iPhone work smarter for you. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and follow for more iPhone tricks just like this one.